Today at the Breakaway channel, what to do when it rains. If it rains, you can go training outside, but you also can go to the track. And that's what I did today. I rode at the track in Büttgen, Germany. I enjoyed the training a lot and had some good fun. I hope you will enjoy the video and let's ride! The first exercise we did was riding from the back of the group to the front of the group. So after riding from the back to the front of the group, we did a couple of laps down in the track to gain speed for the race. So we started a 10-lap race when I was in front. The final 5 laps are kind of fast. So I go right to the top of the track because I don't want to be in front for too long, because otherwise I don't have time to get back in the front. I position myself right behind this rider. And now it's a couple of laps to go to get back in front. I have got a couple of people in front of me. I think it must be just enough to get to the front of the race. I think I've got 9 people in front of me. Someone tries to squeeze me out, but I keep the wheel. It's a training sprint, so it's not a real race, of course. So it's still 7 laps to go. So we keep moving up. Most of the people can only do 1 lap in front. A couple of them can do 2. I think in 3 laps time we will move down to the bottom of the track to prevent that people can go on the inside. I'm sometimes looking behind if someone is doing a counter attack, but no one was. So it's still 5 laps to go. When we cross the finish, it's 4 laps. of 250 meters, so 1K. $1K to go. I've only got one person, two persons in front of me. After this one leaves, so I've got two persons in front of me and 3 laps to go. So I have to do the last lap on my own if everyone does a 1 lap. But they still haven't moved to the bottom of the track, so people can get on the inside of me. Now we move a little bit to the bottom, but we stay a little too high. After this lap, it's 1 lap to go. I look behind and I see an attack on the inside. I try to catch it, but it's really far. I'm getting closer. It's too short. Not enough laps. It's the final 100 meter. And I become second, but I think it was a good race, but I should have gone earlier or should have seen the attack earlier so that I could jump on the wheel and not have a super big gap. Ja.
Mooi.
Hallo. So after the race we did a couple of laps with a group of 4 men trying to get back a lap on the main group, and it was quite fun. It's really cool to ride straight in a turn, to get as high up as you can and then dive back to get back in the group. So thanks for watching to this video. I hope you've enjoyed and have an idea what I do on a rainy training day. I hope I see you in the next video. And let's ride!